Hi! In the previous video, you were introduced to the app Icons for Confluence. In this video, we'll see how to search for and insert icons in your Confluence page. First, we access icons by activating the macro from the Confluence page, to which we want to add images at a specific point. Here we find ourselves in front of the window we saw earlier, where the different categories are presented to us. At this point, we have two possibilities. If we know exactly what we're looking for, we can use the plugin's internal search engine by simply typing in the name of the icon. For example, if you're looking for an icon to indicate a bug, we will find it by typing bug in the search window. On the other hand, if we don't exactly know which icon is most descriptive for our text, but prefer to be inspired, we can browse by category or consult the All category to have an overview of all the icons available. At this point, once the icon has been chosen, Icons for Confluence offers a number of interesting customization options. Let's see what they are. First, we can change the size of the icon. Let's see how to do that. Icons for Confluence offers a choice of 4 sizes: S, M, L, and X. The size changes in real time. There are 3 shapes available to choose from. The dash indicates that no shape has been chosen to frame your icon, so if you select it, your icon will be attached as is. Let's see how they look like when applied to your chosen icon. In the next video, we'll see how to customize your icons to suit your needs.